Chapter 11 Weathering. What are exogenic forces? The external forces that sculpture the surface features of the land are called exogenic forces. What is called denudation? Name the processes involved. Denudation is the wearing away of land mass. It involves processes like weathering, mass movement, erosion, and transportation. State the difference between physical and chemical weathering. Physical weathering. It is more rapid in desert climates. Chemical weathering. It occurs in moist and cold climates. Physical weathering. Rocks are affected to great depths. Chemical weathering. It mostly takes place near the surface of the earth. Physical weathering. Its agents are temperature and moisture. Chemical weathering. Its agents are water, oxygen, carbon, and various organic acids. What is known as exfoliation? Name the process. Peeling off of the outer layer of rocks by sudden contraction and expansion. Sudden temperature changes causes fissures, allowing the waters to penetrate or stimulating chemical weathering takes. Name the four processes involved in chemical weathering: solution, carbonation, oxidation, hydration. What is known as oxidation? Oxidation means reaction of minerals in rocks to atmospheric oxygen. Example: rainwater contains atmospheric oxygen on coming in contact with iron compounds in rocks. The iron gets rusted and the color of rock changes. Describe biological weathering. Biological weathering is when the roots penetrate deep into the soil in search of water and nutrients. These roots exert great pressure on the rock surface, resulting in cracks and breaking of rocks. Burrowing of animals like earthquakes, ants, rats, rabbits bring large quantities of fine material to the surface and causing rocks to break. What is mass wasting? The large-scale movement of loose materials derived from a weathering of bedrock down a slope is known as mass weathering, mass movement, or mass wasting, or, mass wasting. Name any two slow movements of mass wasting: creep and solifluction. Define the following. Creep. The slow downhill movement of debris is called soil creep. It involves unweathered rock debris. Landslides involves both rock and soil. Their movement is characterized by sharply defined shear plane. Landslides usually take place when a support in front of a rock or mass of debris is removed by natural or artificial forces. Name different types of landforms. Meander, meanders, terraces, scars, ripples, escape, escarpments. What is gradation? Name the two processes of gradation. Gradation is general leveling of the land due to dual processes of erosion and deposition. The processes are degradation and aggradation.